My dear students and parents of the present generation, you are all welcome to my Durgam English Coaching YouTube channel. Now, I would like to give some instructions to the students as well as the parents who are very ambitious about the future of their children. They take too much care, which is very harmful to the sensitive minds of the children, because the children are very fragile, easily hurt, easily broken. So please, don't insist your feelings, your ambitions on your children to become a doctor or an engineer, this or that. That is not good on your part. No doubt, nowadays, education plays a vital role. But do you know, education is not dumping into the tender minds of the children. Education means extracting the hidden talents of the children, which are hidden inside. They have many skills. The parents and teachers should tap them, to extract them, to develop them, to mold them, to shape them, to give a bright future. The parents are taking much care on their children, no doubt. They want to give very good education. So they have to select a very good institution. Nowadays, corporate schools, their one and only motive is to get ranks, grades, so that they can make the children heavy burden in their education. They give much homework, a lot of classwork, without understanding the age group. That is not good. In bygone days, the parents as well as teachers give good education in a natural way. But the scenario is totally changed nowadays. The one and only goal of the parents as well as educational institutions is to become a doctor or an engineer. Is it correct? Don't enforce your strong feelings on the tender minds. Do you know, education is the foundation of all disciplines. But how to give good education, proper education? Don't dump unnecessary things into the tender minds of your children. It will become a great burden on them. So, the children will be broken in their hearts, in their minds, and they have some phobia about the present education system. So I humbly request all the parents, first of all, you should try to understand their feelings, emotions, ambitions, and try to make the children to understand your feelings also. Don't compel them, don't compare them, don't insult them comparing other students' standards. Your children are very good. Your children are clever, skilled, talented. But use a right way. Don't go in a wrong way. Be positive. Don't be negative. No doubt, as a parent, you have responsibility to give good education to your children. But at the same time, how far, how much weight to be given on their brains. They are as delicate as a glass, very sensitive, which will be easily broken. So, eventually, I request all the parents, try to make your children grow in a natural way. Don't enforce, don't bend the tender plant as you like. Understanding their emotions is very vital. The children also understand the parents' feelings, ambitions. If you are not willing to become a doctor or an engineer, you openly express your feelings with your parents. Try to make them understand your feelings. And then you choose according to your will and wish. Unless and until the children are given proper education, they won't reach their goals. So, my dear parents, once again, I request you, education should not become a burden. The children should go to the schools as if they are going to their grandparents' home, where they enjoy with their grandparents. Like that, they should enjoy the education with their teachers, with love, understanding, affection, above all, in a good, proper way. So, thank you, one and all. I hope you understand my feelings and give your children good education and good future. Thank you once again.